Union Biometrica Inc. is the leading provider of high-throughput systems, designed to analyze and sort large and fragile objects. This is Union Biometrica's support video on avoiding, identifying, and removing clogs while using our large particle flow cytometers. Just as with traditional flow cytometry, large particle flow cytometers can experience clogging. Clogging can occur if the sample material is too large to fit through the nozzle of the flow cell. It is advisable that you filter your sample to remove material or aggregates that could be too large for the flow cell to accommodate. Clogging may also occur if the sample is too concentrated. Diluting the sample can mitigate clogging. Signs of a clog. Number 1. When you run a flow rate check, if the volume collected in the 50 mm conical tube is much lower than expected. Number 2. When running the sheath in the sample, using settings that were used previously, if you see that the sample is not moving, or that the sample cup volume is increasing instead of decreasing, this could indicate a clog in the system. The incidence of clogging can be reduced by regular cleaning and maintenance of the instruments. If you encounter signs of a clog, try increasing the sample cup pressure incrementally to see if the clog can be pushed through. If available, use the unclog function, which should backflow sheath into the sample cup to help in clog removal. Remember to return your sample cup pressure to previously established levels once you have verified that the clog is no longer blocking flow. If using the COPAS Vision or COPAS Infinity, it is advisable to use the syringe method for clog remediation. The syringe method can also be used for the COPAS FP and BioSorter systems. You will need a syringe apparatus with tubing and connections, compatible with your flow cell. To use the syringe method, depressurize the sample cup by unscrewing the conical tube. Detach the line from the flow cell. Attach syringe with tubing to the flow cell. Pull the syringe. Switch on the sheath flow manually, then pull the syringe again. Switch off sheath flow, then remove the syringe. Reattach the line, then prime and repeat flow rate check to confirm that clog has been removed. Depending on which instrument you are using, you may attach tubing directly to the flow cell, or you may need to remove the sample tubing from a valve body. The valve body can be moved out of the way by pressing. Thank you for watching our video on clog remediation using the syringe method. Visit us at unionbio.com to learn more.